Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Math Success Point. If and then subscribe my channel and share my videos, like my videos, press the bell icon so that my each and every video will reach to you as soon as possible of the best solution of the questions. My dear student, there is a important collection of the questions. देखिए कितना important question मैं लेकर के आया हूँ. Find the integration of the modulus x. My dear student, I will use the integration by parts method. In the integration by parts method, then there will be required the differentiation of it first of all. देखिए how to find out what will be the differentiation of modulus x. First of all, I will tell you. देखिए इसमें क्या होगा? There will be the two cases. Two cases क्या हो जाएंगे? fx will be equal to modulus x means x. Condition is there if x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, then modulus x will be equal to x. इसका differentiation क्या होगा? fx will be equal to 1. Its value will be 1. Second case, what will be the second case? Second case will be equal to fx will be equal to, यहाँ पे मैं डायरेक्ट ले रहा हूँ minus x. Minus x means modulus x will be equal to minus x, and condition is there if x is less than 0. Most important question, my dear student, you must have to see its differentiation will be minus 1. My dear student, that is why you see the differentiation of fx. Fx means differentiation of modulus x. Modulus x will be equal to x upon modulus x. My dear student, this function you keep as it is. Integration of the second function x minus modulus of derivative of modulus x. Derivative मैंने बता दिया, that is x upon modulus x into x dx. So because integration of the second function, that will be x. It will be equal to x modulus x, that will be plus c. Plus c also I am just going to put over here. My dear student, x is into x, that will be x square. एक चीज बताऊंगा, जरा try to understand. Okay? It will be equal to x modulus x minus. My dear student, देखिए यहाँ पर x square, that is positive. It is always positive. Modulus x भी, that is also always positive. That is why you can write it in this way. Okay, dx. एक modulus that will be cancelled. It will be equal to x modulus x minus modulus x only left over here. एक cancel हो जाएगा. It will be equal to, my dear student, that will be plus c and plus c. Okay, ये आ गया हमारे पास plus c. Okay, I को मैं लेफ्ट साइड में ले लेता हूँ, तो 2i it will become 2i x plus c. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है my dear student, I will be equal to x upon 2 modulus x plus c. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस यदि आप करेंगे, देखिए इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? व्हाट डज इट मीन? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द मॉडुलस x विल बी इक्वल टू x अपॉन 2. यही तो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में आते हैं क्वेश्चन. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सॉल्यूशन जनरली आस्क्ड इन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, यदि आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए मेरी वीडियोज को, शेयर कीजिए, प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट